Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In 2025, the legendary Citroen DS21, which has become a byword for automotive style and innovation, will return with a bang. Reimagining luxury and sustainability for the 21st century, this classic model will bring back the magic of its innovative hydropneumatic suspension and avant-garde design from the 1950s and 1960s. Looking backwards, the first-generation DS21 was an avant-garde statement in automobile design. It revolutionized comfort and handling with its hydraulic suspension system, bubble-like top, and shark nose front end. The distinctive design of the previous model will be honored with updated touches in the 2025 model. You can anticipate a smooth fusion of modern design language with retro-futuristic style elements like the flowing lines and unusual headlamps. A sneak peek at what's to come: the 2025 DS21 will have both retro styling and state-of-the-art features. To guarantee a noiseless and emission-free ride, Citroen has thought to outfit the upcoming model with an all-electric drivetrain. It will be ideal for both daily commutes and extended road trips thanks to the advanced battery technology that will give it generous range. On the inside, you can expect an ideal combination of comfort and practicality. The upholstery will be crafted from eco-friendly wood and top-notch leather. A calm and airy atmosphere will be the primary goals of the minimalist design. Everything from navigation to climate control to infotainment will be managed via a big touchscreen panel that's situated in the middle. Enjoy a worry-free and pleasant drive with cutting-edge driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking. Prioritizing sustainability, the 2025 DS21 will prioritize sustainability. The DS21 will be a reflection of Citroen's dedication to minimizing its environmental footprint. Along with the electric engine, the vehicle will also be constructed utilizing environmentally friendly materials and manufacturing techniques. The outside will be shaped to reduce aerodynamic drag, while the inside will make use of recyclable and recycled materials. Driving background: as a result of its revolutionary hydropneumatic suspension, the first DS21 was famous for its soft and easy ride. Citroen has anticipated to introduce a new suspension technology in 2025 that provides a comparable degree of comfort and refinement, even though the system might not be the same. You can expect a peaceful and tranquil ride thanks to the electric powertrain and high-tech suspension. Tradition and progress: the 2025 DS21 is an exceptional example of how tradition and modernity can coexist. It takes cues from the original DS's groundbreaking engineering and design and updates it with modern technology and eco-friendly features. By bringing back a cherished classic, Citroen is winning over both longtime fans and a new demographic of consumers who value elegance, coziness, and eco-consciousness. Citroen has a once-in-a-lifetime chance to connect its legendary heritage with its promising future with the 2025 DS21. Citroen can make a car that appeals to both old-school car fans and the next generation of drivers by honoring the original DS and adding contemporary features and design aspects. In summary, more than simply a new vehicle, the 2025 Citroen DS21 represents a declaration of purpose. Through the revival of this legendary model, Citroen is conveying its dedication to advancement, eco-friendliness, and top-notch design. By fusing the greatest features of previous models with those of future models, the DS21 is well positioned to set the standard for high-end electric vehicles. The 2025 Citroen DS21 is developing into an absolutely outstanding car. It claims to bring together the distinctive style and groundbreaking design of the original DS with the state-of-the-art engineering and speed of contemporary automobiles. The DS21 is an impressive choice for anyone seeking a refined sedan or someone who appreciates older Citroen models. This post is based on speculation and the present state of the automotive industry as well as Citroen's past. Details on the 2025 DS21 specs and features are subject to change. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.